So let's stop for a moment and go back to that list of some of the things that JavaScript needed in order to be able to manage a server. We've seen that there was various things that JavaScript simply didn't have, but that since the V8 engine allowed us to expand and add on features to JavaScript, we could add them, and that's what Node.js has done. So we can now eliminate better ways to organize our code into reusable pieces. We needed that, and we have it. We have it in the forms of modules, using module.exports and require. So that's one thing down. Interesting, no? We're going to see further uses of modules and require throughout the rest of this course, but this section served as the foundation for understanding what we're doing. And I hope you can see that it actually isn't that complex, but yet it's very powerful. And you should be building and architecting your software in components, in modules, in separate reusable pieces, which will make your life a lot easier now and down the road, not just for you, but for other developers that may use, touch, and maintain your code. All right, it's time to move on to the next section.